Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now I am in the wholesale market, and now you can see this is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is blue color, and you can see this is the 256 gigabyte and 79%. This is the China version, and the cycle count 1583, and you can see the beautiful condition. Beautiful condition, no scratches. You can see the charging port, also no problem. Very good condition. Okay, and you can see the SIM card slot. And let me show you the device information. Now you can see this is model name is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see the model number. CH means this is China version. China version shows this has two SIM card. This is the first SIM card, and this is the second SIM card. Okay, second SIM card, good condition. Also, you can see a lot of iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can add my WhatsApp. I will send you the wholesale price. Send you the price list. Okay, you can see a lot of different iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is 75%, and this one also 75%. Okay, you can see this is iPhone 14, iPhone 13 256. You can see this is also good condition. Okay, the battery low battery 69%. Okay, but the condition is very good. Good condition. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, I will make more video about the iPhone and MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video. The beautiful machine. All right.